In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Editing invoices in QuickBooks is an essential skill for managing your business's financial affairs with accuracy and ease. Whether you need to adjust amounts, correct mistakes, or update details as your business evolves, QuickBooks makes it straightforward and user-friendly. So let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to head over to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're there, focus your attention on the left-hand side panel. You should see a range of options that help you navigate the software, and what we're looking for today is the Sales option. Click on Sales to access all the sales-related activities and records your business has. Now, after clicking on Sales, your next stop is the Invoices tab, which is conveniently located under the Sales section. Clicking on this will present you with a comprehensive list of all your invoices, providing a clear and organized view. This list is your hub for managing and reviewing each invoice you've sent to your clients. As you scroll through your invoices, you'll notice that each one features a handy button labeled View or Edit. Find the invoice you need to adjust and click this button. This is your gateway to the editing process, and it makes accessing the details of any invoice as simple as possible. Once you click View or Edit, you'll be taken directly to the editing screen. This is where the magic happens, and you have the flexibility to make any necessary changes. Whether you need to amend client information, modify the invoice date, adjust amounts, or add new line items, this screen gives you the control to do so. It's designed to be intuitive, so you should find it easy to navigate and make precise adjustments. After you've made the changes you need, it's crucial to save your updated invoice. To do this, locate the Save button at the bottom right corner of the editing screen. Click on it, and just like that, your changes are securely saved. This ensures that your invoice reflects the most up-to-date and accurate information, which is vital for maintaining order in your financial records. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Editing an invoice in QuickBooks Online is not only straightforward, but also a fundamental task for anyone managing finances through this platform. With these steps, you'll be equipped to handle changes quickly and effectively, keeping your business's invoicing on track. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and informative QuickBooks tutorials.